Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw 2026 to celebrate the new year. So let's get started. To celebrate 2026, let's first start by drawing the number 2. So I'm just going to draw some very basic numbers, and I'm going to start about right here and go across with a line, and then we're going to start our 2. So this is just meant to inspire you. There's no wrong or right way to draw this, and just play around with it, see what's easier for you to draw for your numbers, or how to what steps. Some people like to start from the bottom, some from the top, so just play around with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way around, just creating this very basic 2. And so my goal as I draw this is to make everything a little even as I go around. So I'm going to go ahead and go across and come down. There, so very basic 2. And then we're going to draw a 0. So my 0, I just want to make sure it's about the same height, all my letters, approximate, doesn't have to be perfect. So say about right here, I'm going to create this really big oval right next to my 2. There, and then once again I'm going to come inside, and about right here I'm going to start, and I just want about the same thickness so that I know all my numbers belong together. But then once again, it doesn't have to. It could be all different as well. We're just celebrating 2026. So just have fun. So with this, then we need to draw another 2. So I'm just going to use this as my guide, this point right here, and I'm just going to drag it across. And so say about right here, I'll start my next number 2, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. And that's my goal. So I'm going to go up. And once again, I'm going to angle it down. And so when I angle this down, I know this line in here is about the same. So I'm just going to drag this down to about right here. And once again, come down. Just make sure. So I'm going to go up. And once again, bring this out. There. And one last letter, the most important one this year is the 6, right? So let's drag this across. So I want this in this area. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to create this big curve coming down next to our 2. Then we're going to loop it up. But before I do that, I'm going to come down right about here with another line and start to thicken it up. And about right there, I'm going to draw my loop. And connect. There, so I have my 6. And then come inside, about right here, and draw in your circle. There, and that is it. So now we're going to spruce it up, and I thought this year it'd be really nice to just add a lot of cute animals. And so I'm just going to change it to a much newer Sharpie so my lines are smaller, because I have a lot of details I want to draw. So I'm going to go ahead and say on the 0 right here, we're going to put in a sun. And like I said earlier, this is just meant to inspire you. And I really hope whatever I draw today, it brings a smile to your day. I'm just going to create the sun here. There. And then I thought, since we have a tall window here, we could put a little rabbit. So I'm going to start about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw the head. And the eyes. And a little nose. And a mouth. And then of course the ears. The inside of the ears. And let's see, if some hands. And the tummy. There. And of course we're going to put a big heart right here. And if you like, and if you have some space, let's see here, perhaps like a little flower. Oh, it's so small, but another flower, maybe like a little bush in the back. Some mountains, just for some scenery in the background. And then on this one, I thought it'd be really cute, maybe add a butterfly right up here. So I'm just going to add some wings. And make this part a little thicker. Another wing right here. Antenna. Right there, and then maybe put a bird right here. So very simplified bird. Legs. Maybe a little branch. Right here, and then another bird. There. And if you like it, you can put in some, maybe some trees. Up here, a little bee, maybe buzzing by. A little wing. Right there. And let's see here. Now on this too, maybe like a bowl, a fish bowl. A cute little fish inside. Some here, and maybe, oh, I don't know, maybe you could hang like a jellyfish here. Little smile. And let's see, what else could we do? let's see, on maybe on this 6 right here, we could put a cat right here laying on this part. So let's start with the ears, the head, bring down the head, and then the body. There you can put in this, tuck in the tail right here. Little paw right here and another paw right there. And it could be sleeping. There. A little stripe right there. And then inside, of course, let's put a little puppy. So about here. His ears. The little paw right here. And a little mouth. And of course a heart. I had to clean that up. I messed up on the mouth. It's so small. And maybe that's enough detail. What do you think? Oh, maybe we could put some clouds perhaps on this side. And another one over here. There. Maybe a starfish right here. And I feel like it needs another tree right here. A little ball of yarn for our cat. And that is pretty much it, I think, right? What do you think? Hopefully I've made this kind of cute and I helped you inspire you to draw this cute scenery for the year 2026. I really hope you love this and I helped you, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.